Hey there, aspiring pizza masters. Welcome to another exciting cooking adventure. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pizza from scratch, just like a pro. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never want to order out again. Grab your apron and let's get started. This is going to be fun and super rewarding. First things first, let's talk dough, the foundation of any great pizza. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. These simple ingredients are the building blocks of our dough. Give it a quick mix. This ensures that the sugar and salt are evenly distributed throughout the flour. Now, in a separate bowl, mix 3/4 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. The water should be warm, not hot, to activate the yeast properly. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it gets nice and frothy. This frothiness means the yeast is alive and ready to work its magic. Next, make a well in the center of your flour mixture and pour in the yeast water along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The olive oil adds a nice richness to the dough. Mix until it starts to come together. Then transfer it to a floured surface and knead for about 10 minutes. Kneading develops the gluten, giving the dough its structure. You want a smooth, elastic dough. It should be slightly tacky, but not sticky. Pop your dough into a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it's doubled in size. This rising time allows the dough to develop flavor and texture. Patience is key here, folks. Good things come to those who wait. Now, while the dough is rising, let's prepare the sauce. A great sauce can make or break your pizza. In a saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. The oil will help to saute the garlic and bring out its flavor. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic as it can turn bitter. Pour in a 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. These herbs add a wonderful aroma and depth to the sauce. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Alright, the dough should be ready now. It should have risen nicely and be full of air. Punch it down to release the air, then roll it out on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Whether you like it thin and crispy or thick and chewy, it's up to you. Transfer it to a baking sheet or pizza stone. A pizza stone will give you a crispier crust, but a baking sheet works just fine too. Time to assemble. This is where the fun really begins. Spread a generous layer of your homemade sauce over the dough. Make sure to cover it evenly, leaving a small border for the crust. Sprinkle on your favorite cheese. I'm going with a mix of mozzarella and parmesan. Now, add your toppings. The cheese will melt beautifully and add a creamy texture, whether it's classic pepperoni, fresh veggies, or a combination of both. This is where you get to be creative. The sky's the limit with toppings. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. A hot oven is crucial for a perfect pizza. Bake your pizza for about 12-15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Once it's out of the oven, give it a minute to cool down before slicing. This helps the cheese set a bit and makes it easier to cut. And there you have it, a delicious homemade pizza ready to impress. The perfect reward for your efforts. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Your support means a lot. Enjoy your pizza and happy cooking. Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoying your culinary journey.